Did you know that nearly 80% of adults have plaque and tartar buildup on their teeth? That's right, and if left untreated, it can lead to serious dental issues like gum disease and tooth loss. So keeping those pearly whites in check is super important. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, natural ways to remove plaque and tartar quickly. We all want to maintain healthy teeth and gums, right? So let's jump into some effective and simple methods that you can start using today. All right, let's talk about the challenges we face with plaque and tartar buildup. It's a common issue and it can be super frustrating. You might brush your teeth twice a day, but plaque can still form, hardening into tartar if not addressed. This buildup can lead to bad breath, cavities, and even gum disease. Plus, traditional dental cleanings can be time-consuming and expensive. Many of us want a quicker and easier way to keep our mouths healthy without breaking the bank or spending hours in a dental chair. So what can we do about it? Now that we've laid out the problem, let's explore some natural remedies that might just become your new best friends. First up, dietary changes. Incorporating crunchy fruits and veggies like apples and carrots can help scrub away plaque as you chew. Yep, nature's toothbrush. Next, let's talk about homemade mouth rinses. A simple mix of warm water, salt, and baking soda can work wonders. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds and you'll feel the difference. And don't forget about good old-fashioned brushing and flossing techniques. Using a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste can help fight plaque, while flossing gets into those hard-to-reach spots. The key is consistency, so make these practices part of your daily routine. The absolute best natural remedy for tackling plaque and tartar is, drumroll please, oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing oil, coconut oil is a fan favorite, around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. It may sound a bit strange, but trust me, it's incredibly effective. Oil pulling helps remove toxins, bacteria, and plaque, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Many people have reported noticeable improvements after just a few weeks of incorporating oil pulling into their routine. Exciting, right? Give it a shot and see how it works for you. All right, folks, let's wrap up. Today we talked about the prevalence of plaque and tartar, the challenges they pose, and some fantastic natural methods to keep them at bay. From dietary changes and homemade rinses to oil pulling, these techniques can really make a difference in your oral health. Remember, taking care of your teeth and gums is super important for your overall well-being. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you try any of these methods, please share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content and tips. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.